Today we're going to show you how to install all the different presser feet attachments for the Fabricator sewing machine. And all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, which comes with the machine, and a hex wrench. So let's get into it. Let's start with the Sawtooth Foot. This foot set comes standard on all of our Fabricator packages. To install our feet, we will first raise up our presser foot and lock it into place. To start, we will install the inside presser foot. With the screw loose on the inside presser foot, we will slide it up on our needle bar as far up as it will go. We will then use our flathead screwdriver to tighten that into place from the back side. It's important before you tighten it completely to make sure that the needle will clear the hole through the middle. You can move the needle down to test this. After you have made sure that it will, you can finish tightening the foot. Next, we will install our outside presser foot. This foot will slide in from the back in between the two metal prongs. Then we will place our screw into the hole and tighten it, but not fully. Now lower the foot, making sure that the outside foot is flush with the needle plate. Then with the center foot in the up rotation of its walk, we will finish tightening this screw. And that's all there is to installing the Sawtooth Foot. The double cording foot will also follow these same steps to install the inside and outside presser feet in this set. It will look like this when it's installed. The next foot attachment we will install is the 3/16 inch cording foot, also called a piping foot. Again, we will start with the inside presser foot, and with our foot raised and locked, we will place it on the needle bar until it is all the way up. Then we will tighten it with our 3mm hex wrench, ensuring that the needle is lined up in the middle of the hole. Once that is set, we will slide our outer presser foot in from the back through the metal prongs. Then we will put our screw through the hole, loosely screw it in, lower the foot, making sure that the inside foot is on the upward rotation of its walk, then finish tightening it. You can follow the same steps to install the narrow foot set, the 1/4 inch piping foot, the leather foot, and both the left and right edge guides. The last foot we will install is a zipper foot. Both the right and left zipper feet do not come with an inside presser foot, so the only part that you'll need to be installing is the outside presser foot. With the zipper feet, you can use either the standard inside presser foot or the smooth leather inside foot. You would follow the same steps to install this outside presser foot as you would all the others. This is how both will look installed. Two of our feet sets, the Sawtooth set and the leather set, come with a feed dog. This feed dog is located underneath the bed of the sewing machine. We will start by removing the feed dog that comes standard on the machine. So with our presser feet removed, we will first unscrew and remove the needle plate. We will use our flathead screwdriver on the two screws to remove this plate. Next, we will slide the other part of our needle guide to the side. You will then see two screws holding the feed dog in place. We will remove these screws and take the feed dog out. We will now install our smooth leather feed dog. We'll line up the holes, place our screws in them, and loosely tighten them into place. Then we'll reinstall the needle plate. With the screws on the feed dog still loose, we will make sure that the feed dog is centered in the needle plate hole. You can test this by rotating the balance wheel like so. Once the feed dog is in place, you can tighten these screws all the way and slide the other half of the needle plate back into place. This is what the feed dog will look like when you're finished installing it. And that's all there is to installing all 10 presser feet attachments for the Fabricator. We went ahead and linked all these feet in the description below, along with a video introducing them. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.